Hello photography fans and welcome back to another LensVid review. Today we're taking a look at a carbon fiber travel tripod by Ulanzi. Let's see what it can do. Travel tripods are lightweight and portable, but a lot of times their small size is a limitation and manufacturers end up stripping these units for some very important features. Ulanzi's approach is very different, and the result is a solid travel-sized tripod with an integrated miniature head and some surprising additions. Ulanzi ships this tripod in a nice presentation box, and it comes with a padded carrying bag and includes a set of spikes. The TT09 is only 43 centimeters long and weighs under 1.5 kilograms. The legs are made of carbon fiber and extend to a maximum height of 142 centimeters. The section locks feature a clasp design with 4 quick deployment aluminum latches. The metal stoppers at the top of the legs allow 3 width settings. The rubber inserts on the stoppers make operation easier, but they are glue-on pads, so I doubt that they will stay on for a very long time. For added quick height adjustment, Ulanzi's design includes a center column operated by a metal knob. The base of the tripod is very low profile, but Ulanzi managed to add a 1/4-inch mount with locating pins. Ulanzi offers 3 quick release options for this tripod, and ours is the Arca release plate with 2 stoppers. The attached head is tiny and is very fitting to the travel concept of this tripod. The head's tilt is dampened and feels pretty smooth. Panning is friction controlled, so there's no damping, but it's smooth enough for such a tiny head. One of the limitations on tripods in general is not being able to level the camera when placing the tripod on uneven terrain. Ulanzi added a very important element to this tripod, which is a leveling base operated by a metal clasp. There's also a bubble level on the head, but it's tiny and hard to see. The leveling mechanism sits on a ball head. It's surprisingly sturdy and offers quick and easy adjustments. There's also an option to rotate the head 90 degrees for vertical shooting. We tried putting some heavier setups on top of this head and it held up with no problems. This is a very compact but versatile design that comes with a little hidden add-on. The handle comes off and it becomes a screwdriver with a set of 7 tips tucked away in the bottom.
I have the right one out right now because this fits on here with the screwdriver bit on there, and this you don't have to pull out, so it saves you an extra step.
It's a great idea, and even though you might not use it that often, I'm sure you'll be happy it's there in an emergency. Another feature that is very important to a travel tripod is low-angle setups. For static low-angle shots, the TT09 offers an inverted angle by reversing the central column. In case you need to pan or tilt from a low angle, the central column can be separated into 2 sections, which will allow opening the tripod to a wider stance.
It's a bit of a puzzle. The first couple of times I couldn't figure it out because there's a little screw that's inside here and it's all the way in, so the column is closed. You can't separate it. So you figure you go all the way out and it should open, and it doesn't. So the first couple of times I tried to open it, I couldn't figure it out. The trick is to actually go halfway out. There you go. It's a great idea, but in the field, this kind of an operation often leads to lost parts. So this may have easily been some kind of a latch on the column, on the center column, where it just locks in and comes off. This is perfect length, so some kind of a plastic clamp on here will keep this in place. Other than that, I have to kind of lay it down, and I'll pick that back up again once I finish.
As for travel tripods, the TT09 is a great example of a compact design without many of the common limitations. And it's not just for travel photographers. All the useful features that Ulanzi added makes it a great addition to our own interview kit, for example. It's small enough that it fits into our bag and it just stays there for whenever we need it. It's quick to deploy and it can hold a pretty beefy setup. In conclusion, the TT09 is a very compelling product. It's light and compact, but offers plenty of features. The integrated head and the versatility of use make it a great tripod for a variety of shooting scenarios. As for pricing, Ulanzi's VideoGo TT09 sells on the company website for $260. And that is it for our look at the Ulanzi TT09 VideoGo tripod. Go check out the full review on our website at lensvid.com. Subscribe to this channel and come back for more videos. We'll see you in the next one.
Subscribe.
Bloopers. Today we're looking at the carbon fiber travel property at a carbon fiber travel tripod by Ulanzi. This VideoGo TT09 carbon fiber travel tripod sells for